This crypto project has exceeded 50x within the first 2 weeks of opening to the world. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. That's right. This project I want to talk about has, in fact, went over 70. It made 71x in 2 weeks, way over 50%. And the reason why I want to discuss this now is that I think that the price has cooled off, and I think you should really start doing your research to find out if this will fit in with your portfolio. So, as ever, I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, with crypto being high risk, you should just treat it as anything that you could dispose with disposable money to invest. The project I want to talk about today is called Gorilla. So Gorilla came out in the middle of November 2023, and as this is my first video in 2024, I want to wish you a happy new year. I hope you can excuse me being late. I haven't uploaded for a while, and I appreciate you probably have said Happy New Year 100 times to colleagues at your shops or offices, at your workplaces, with your family, etc. So the current price is 0.004 US dollars. And as you can see, it's been down 43% over the last 30 days. And at the moment of recording, it seems to have reached a support level where we can see in the past 24 hours it's gone 6.6% up. So especially over the next few days from the time of recording this video, you might want to see if prices will stay at that level. So the high here was I think it was just like 12 US cents. Oh, sorry, I want to say 12. Sorry, 2 US cents. Well, that would be wishful thinking. Yeah, so 0.0234. If we just divide this by the current price of 0.0045, get the 09 in there as well, it will be a 5x multiplier. Now, just going back to the price here, I think this could do really well. I personally don't think we'll see another 50x in this project, at least not in the short to medium term. The current market cap is 3.5 million, with 483,000 in the 24-hour trading volume. But circulating supply of was 771 million, 230 and some change, and total supply of 898 million. So if we were to see a 25x, the price would have to reach 12 US cents. So I think this could be the highest it could go. From a more conservative estimate, we can go with let's go with a 20x would be a price of 9 US cents, 15 would be 7 US cents, 10x 5 US cents, and yeah, it just goes down here. So if you're not familiar with Gorilla, as it is still relatively new, according to the website, there are just 3,685 holders, and this is the bulk of the project here. So there's an IDO launchpad. So this is the utility of Gorilla. So effectively, they want to have developers put their own token project with Gorilla Pad. So it says experience ultimate launchpad for successful pre-sales now with zero upfront fees. So that will attract a lot of new projects because who likes fees, especially if they're upfront? So we've got essential tools like whitelist, vesting, vesting, claims refunds, and LP locking. That's liquidity pool locking. We've perfected the pre-sale formula. So they've got a dedicated Gorilla team. So it guarantees trust and security through doxing, know your customer, comprehensive audits, and they've also got an affiliate program as well. So the charges that they have is 5% tax on sales, with 50% directed back to Gorilla ecosystem for buybacks, liquidity, CXs, marketing. So it's ensuring the growth of the mother token. Okay. So they want these projects to choose that Gorilla as the preferred platform for pre-sales. So there are some pre-sale projects, and this is just a new animal to the block. Also, cross-chain swap as well. So you'll be able to seamlessly do cross-chain trading. So it's got a stop loss limit feature, so it just becomes effortless for traders. I don't think that's really unique, but it says here, but that's not all. A cutting edge AI technology allows you to effortlessly mirror the strategies of top ranking traders across different blockchains. And also, it's just a smooth experience when switching chains as well. So it's a smooth transition without any hiccups. I like this little bit here. Join us and conquer the jungle of trading and go bananas. So they got an over-the-counter trading DApp as well, so you'll be able to sell directly to anyone. And this is the tokenomics as well. So the contract is run out and the liquidity pool is locked. It's 0.5% tax fee. Can I click on distribution here? So this is the distribution here as well. So 70% gone to liquidity, 10% burn, 4% marketing, 4% exchange funds, 4% staking / farming with the treasury here. I think there's a bit too clustered to put treasury, but you can see it here. This is the roadmap. There's an email here, team@gorillatoken.io. So as you can see with this infinity logo here, which is popping, so this is always going to be in development. Here it says about new listings as well. So they did mention this on their Twitter. I think Gate.io is what they're looking at here. I did see it on the, yeah, here we go. So looking to go onto more exchanges. So initially when I bought this through Bitsmart. Well, this is the white paper. Yeah, let's go back to the actual the markets here. So yeah, I initially bought it through through Bitmart because it was available on Uniswap and Bitmart at the time I bought it. Well, as the prices have gone down, I have had to sell it off, but I'll be looking to rebuy through Mexi, which is my preferred exchange. But it's good to see that Gate.io Mexi has been added, and there may be more to come. So I hope that does encourage more people to buy into this and hope that the price goes up. I'm not saying you particularly, the viewer of the video, but just in general, if people do buy into this, they can do through these markets. I think this is a project to consider in your portfolio. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And leave a like on the video. I'll see you in the next one.